2023 Nissan Titan. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane departure warning, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.